Alright guys, these two faceless YouTube channels have made thousands of dollars in the past few months by uploading simple historical videos. According to Social Blade, this channel has earned around $18,000. That's just insane. And if we take a closer look, one of these channels has over 400,000 subscribers and over 190 million views. That's incredible, right? I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own YouTube automation channel, and it only takes one click. You heard right. This method is new, and none of those so-called YouTube gurus have shown it to you yet. So let's get started. First, we need to create a YouTube channel or a TikTok page. I assume you all know how to create a channel on YouTube or TikTok. If not, feel free to let me know in the comments. With the help of AI tools, this has become easy. So I'm going to skip that and get straight to the exciting part. Creating content with just one click. Go to my video description and click the link to autoshorts.ai. Create an account. Use your Google account to make it faster. Once you've created an account, you'll see the main page of autoshorts.ai. This AI tool is amazing. Next, we click on Create Your Series. Here, under Destination, you can choose from 3 options. You can link your YouTube or TikTok account so that the videos are uploaded directly to your page. Pretty cool feature. I have them sent to me by email, but feel free to link your account to save time. Now press Content, and you'll see various topics you can choose from. I'm going with Custom Topic, since our niche isn't really selectable. For this, I'm entering the prompt. Make short videos about historic tales. Next, we need to choose a voice for our video. Listen to the voices and pick the one you like the most. I'm choosing Onyx. After that, we need to select the video language. As you can see, there are several languages to choose from. Of course, we'll select English because we want the video to be in English to reach a wider audience. Next, we'll choose the video length. Since it's a short video, we'll select 30 to 60 seconds under Duration Performance. Now click Create and wait for the AI to generate our video. You can already see the title, caption, and script. The AI chose the famous story of the Trojan horse. I'll skip this part so we can get to the good stuff faster. No one wants to wait around watching a progress bar, right? So after a few minutes of waiting, we finally have our result. Sure, there were a few clicks here and there, but that one click was the game changer. Let's check it out. I'm really curious to see what we got.
The Trojan horse is one of history's most famous tales of cunning and deception. During the Trojan War, the Greeks devised a plan to infiltrate the heavily fortified city of Troy after a prolonged siege. They constructed a massive wooden horse, hiding elite soldiers inside.
For such a simple prompt and a few adjustments, the result is actually pretty great. But wait, where's the background music? We need that to really hook the viewers. Background music is super important for these short videos. The weird thing is, the setting was on, but somehow no music was added. No worries though, we can fix this in no time. Just click on Download Video to get the file, and then let's jump into CapCut and start a new project. In CapCut, we'll edit the video and add some background music. First, drag your video file into CapCut to add it. Hit the blue plus sign to drop the video into the timeline. Next, click on Audio and pick your music from the left, under Music. Since I've made similar videos before, I already have some fitting background music saved in my favorites. But don't worry, you can easily add your own. Just head to the search bar and type in something like epic or war music. You should find something that fits. Then, hit the blue plus sign again to add the background music to the timeline. Trim the music at the start so it kicks in right with the video. Select the part you want to cut, hit the delete key, and drag the music to the beginning. Go to the end of the video, and while the music is still selected, press W. This will trim the background music to match your video perfectly. On the right side, under Basic, you'll see the audio file's volume control. Lower the background music to about 9 dB, so it's not too loud and you can still hear the voice clearly. Now, click on the video file, go to Audio, and bump up the volume to around 2.5 dB. Trust me, this step is crucial to ensure the voice stands out and the background music isn't overpowering. Play it back to see if the music and video sync up nicely. Adjust the volumes as needed, making sure everything sounds just right. Finally, once the background music is set and the levels are perfect, hit Export. Let's watch the final result.
The Trojan horse is one of history's most famous tales of cunning and deception. During the Trojan War, the Greeks devised a plan to infiltrate the heavily fortified city of Troy after a prolonged siege. They constructed a massive wooden horse, hiding elite soldiers inside, while the rest of the Greek forces pretended to retreat. The Trojans, believing they had won, brought the horse into their city as a symbol of victory. That night, while the city slept, the Greek soldiers emerged, opened the gates for their returning comrades, and launched a surprise attack. This clever ruse ultimately led to the fall of Troy, highlighting the power of strategy and intelligence in warfare.
Amazing, right? Let's head back to the autoshorts.ai site because I want to show you their subscription plans. As you can see, I was able to create this video for free. The first video is on the house, but after that, you'll need to sign up for a subscription. Now, the big question is, how serious are you about this? And are you ready to invest in your Faceless YouTube channel? They offer a starter plan where you can create 3 videos a week. Plus, it unlocks some extra features like auto post to channel, better resolution, and that missing background music we noticed earlier. So that explains why our video was music free. Then there's the daily plan, which gives you 1 video a day. And finally, the hardcore plan. With that one, you get 2 videos a day, which totals about 60 videos a month. You have to admit, that's pretty wild. Sure, $69 a month isn't cheap, but the value you get could be huge. In the right niche, I can see how you could make that money back if you play your cards right. And that's a wrap, folks. If you've made it this far, you're officially ready to conquer the world of YouTube automation. Now, before you rush off to create your first viral video, make sure to hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips, tricks, and, let's be honest, my charming voice. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be lurking there to help you out. Also, let me know if you tried out this method and how it went for you. I love hearing success stories and even the funny fails. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, make those epic videos, and let's turn your channel into the next big thing. See you in the next one. Peace out.